Dear students, welcome to 10th standard biology online class. Today we are going to learn about structure of heart. Closed circulatory system was discovered by William Harvey. He is known as the father of modern physiology. Location of heart. Human heart is situated between the lungs, slightly tilted towards the left and above the diaphragm in the thoracic cavity. The heart is made up of specialized type of muscles called cardiac muscle. Outer covering of heart. The heart is enclosed in a double-walled sac called pericardium. It contains lubricating pericardial fluid which reduces friction during heartbeat and protects it from the mechanical injury. The pericardium has two layers. One is parietal pericardium and another one is visceral pericardium, the inner layer. In between these two layers, the pericardial fluid is present. Pericardial fluid is present between these two layers. Internal structure of heart. The human heart is four-chambered. The two upper thin-walled chambers of the heart are called auricle or atria. The two lower thick-walled chambers are called ventricle. The upper chambers are known as the atrium, two atria, and lower chambers are known as ventricles. Two ventricles are present in the lower part of the heart. The chambers are separated by partition called septum. The two auricles are separated from each other by atrial septum, interatrial septum. The two ventricles are separated from each other by interventricular septum. Interventricular septum. Atrium, the upper chamber. The atria form the upper part of the heart. The left atrium is smaller than the right. This is the left atrium. This is smaller than the right atrium. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body through the main veins, the superior vena cava, from the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Deoxygenated blood enter into the right atrium and from the coronary sinus. This is the coronary sinus. So from the heart muscles, deoxygenated blood enter into the right atrium through this coronary sinus. Pulmonary veins bring oxygenated blood to the left atrium from the lungs. From the lungs, deoxygenated blood enter into the left atrium through this pulmonary vein. The right and left auricles pump blood into the right and left ventricles respectively. So from the right auricle and left auricle, blood is pumped into the right and left ventricles. Ventricle, the lower chamber. The ventricles form the lower part of the heart. The left and right ventricles have thick walls. It has very thick walls. The both ventricles are having thick walled outer covering because the ventricles have to pump out blood with force away from the heart. From the right ventricle arises the pulmonary artery. This is the pulmonary artery. which supply deoxygenated blood to the lungs. The left ventricle gives rise to aorta. The left ventricle gives rise to aorta. The oxygenated blood is supplied by the aorta to various organs of the body. Coronary arteries supply blood to the heart muscles. From these coronary uh, arteries, which supply blood to heart muscles. Valves of the heart. The valves are the muscular flaps that regulate the flow of blood in a single direction and prevent backflow of blood. The heart contains three types of valves. First one is right atrioventricular valve or tricuspid valve in this area. Second one is left atrioventricular valve, bicuspid valve or mitral valve in this area in between left auricle and left ventricle. Third one is semilunar valves, two types. One is pulmonary semilunar valve, which is present in this at the base of pulmonary artery. Another one is aortic semilunar valve, which is present at the bottom of aorta. Right atrioventricular valve is located between the right auricle and the right ventricle. It has three thin triangular leaf-like flaps and therefore it is called tricuspid valve. The apices of the flaps are held in position by chordae tendineae arising from the muscular projection of the ventricle wall known as papillary muscles. So this chordae tendineae, which is attached with the tricuspid valve and bicuspid valve, and it is attached with the papillary muscles. Left atrioventricular valve is located between the left auricle and left ventricle. It has two cusps and therefore called bicuspid valve. Semilunar valve. The pulmonary and aortic semilunar valves prevent backward flow of blood into the ventricles. So at the base of aorta and at the base of pulmonary artery. At the base of pulmonary artery and at the base of aorta, the semilunar valves are present. Thank you.